Can a fish actually drown? The answer might surprise you.
Technically, yes. A fish can drown, or rather, suffocate in water.
When oxygen levels drop, the koi fish struggles to breathe.
For a fish, drowning means not getting enough dissolved oxygen.
Imagine the water running out of air. That is what happens to the koi fish.
Without oxygen, the koi fish becomes lethargic and weak.
This behavior at the surface is called piping.
Piping is a red flag. The koi fish is in immediate danger.
A healthy fish swims below. A suffocating fish gasps at the top.
Let's understand why the koi fish is gasping.
The gills of the koi fish are working overtime to find oxygen. If the gills are inflamed, the koi fish cannot absorb oxygen properly.
Sometimes, the koi fish gulps air bubbles in desperation.
The number one cause is simply low oxygen in the water.
Stagnant water holds less oxygen for the koi fish.
Warm water holds less oxygen than cool water. High ammonia burns the gills of the koi fish.
Damaged gills cannot take in oxygen, causing the koi fish to suffocate.
Ammonia poisoning also makes the koi fish look pale.
Too many fish compete for the same oxygen.
An overcrowded tank is a death trap for the koi fish.
Plants consume oxygen at night, making it harder for the koi fish.
Remember, plants also breathe oxygen when the lights go out.
If the filter stops, the koi fish suffers immediately.
Always check the temperature. Is it too hot for the koi fish?
Lying sideways is a critical sign of distress for the koi fish.
A suffocating koi fish will refuse to eat.
Do not feed the koi fish if it is gasping.
Clamped fins indicate the koi fish is stressed. If you see gasping, take immediate action to save the koi fish.
Add an air stone immediately to increase oxygen.
The bubbles help aerate the water for the koi fish.
Surface agitation helps oxygen dissolve for the koi fish.
Watch as the koi fish gravitates towards the oxygen source.
Test for ammonia and nitrite immediately.
If ammonia is high, the koi fish is being poisoned.
Perform a partial water change to dilute toxins for the koi fish.
Fresh water brings new oxygen for the koi fish.
Always detoxify chlorine before adding water to the koi fish tank.
It may take time for the koi fish to recover.
Add beneficial bacteria to help process the ammonia. A good sign is when the koi fish returns to the bottom.
A clogged filter cannot provide oxygen for the koi fish.
Rotting waste consumes oxygen. Remove it to save the koi fish.
Never ignore this sign. The koi fish depends on you.
In extreme cases, some pros use hydrogen peroxide, but be careful.
Keep the water moving to keep the koi fish breathing.
With proper care, the koi fish can make a full recovery.
Prevention is better than cure for the koi fish.
Prepare for power outages with a battery air pump.
Once the koi fish eats, the danger has passed.
Do not put too many fish in one tank.
Clear, clean water is the best insurance for the koi fish.
Ensure your test kits are accurate.
A healthy koi fish has vibrant color and clear eyes. Uneaten food rots and steals oxygen from the koi fish.
A balanced ecosystem helps the koi fish thrive.
Rest is important for the recovering koi fish.
Nitrite prevents blood from carrying oxygen to the koi fish.
Salt can sometimes help with nitrite toxicity.
The koi fish enjoys the oxygen-rich bubbles.
Clear eyes indicate the koi fish is feeling better.
In summer, cool the water to increase oxygen.
Shade prevents the water from overheating.
Social behavior returns when the koi fish is healthy.
Vacuum the gravel to remove oxygen-depleting muck.
Regular maintenance prevents oxygen crashes.
See how strong the koi fish swims now.
Understanding the nitrogen cycle saves the koi fish.
Your observation saves lives.
The koi fish trusts you to keep the water safe.
Did you know cold water holds more oxygen than warm water? Molecules pack tighter in cold water.
Normal gill movement is slow and steady.
Don't confuse gasping with begging for food. Oil on the surface blocks oxygen for the koi fish.
Use a skimmer to keep the surface clean.
Currents distribute oxygen throughout the tank.
pH crashes can also affect the koi fish's breathing.
Healthy plants produce oxygen during the day. To summarize, gasping means low oxygen or poor water.
Recognize the signs early. Add air immediately. Change the water to remove toxins. You can save your fish from drowning.
Have you ever seen your fish gasping?
Keep your water clean and your fish safe. If this helped, please like and subscribe. Share this video to help other fish keepers.
Hit the bell for more emergency guides.
This is the Aquatic Lie.
Check our playlist for more fish care tips.
Thanks for watching.
Happy fish keeping.
Oxygen is life.
Respect the water.
Keep the surface moving. Bond with your healthy fish.
Maintenance is love.
Thanks for watching.